Hi, this is Usha. Welcome to Rathod's IAS. Are you searching for the best online platform for your UPSC preparation only in English? So nowadays, both in offline and online, so you will be getting coaching in bilingual language. Especially South Indian students, they are facing difficulties in understanding Hindi. So they are especially searching for platforms which only teach in English language. So if you are that student who are searching for coaching in English language, then this Rathod's IAS, it is one of the best platform. So here, whatever the coaching we are providing for your UPSC, that will be delivered only in English language. So what are the services that are provided by this Rathod's IAS Academy? So we do provide prelims test series, mains answer writing courses and also foundational course. So now I am here to explain how this foundational course will go on. So after watching this video, you can understand after joining this coaching, so how you can get benefits from Rathod's IAS Academy. So first, let me explain how this course goes on. So actually, in this foundational course, we will provide access to the videos to each and every subject in our UPSC syllabus. So in UPSC, we have GS paper 1, GS paper 2, GS paper 3 and also GS paper 4. So in GS paper 1, we have subjects like history, we have geography, we have Indian society. And in GS paper 2, we have polity and governance, international relations, we have social issues, right? In GS paper 3, we have economy, we have environment and ecology, we have disaster management, science and technology. In GS 4, we have only ethics, integrity and aptitude. So for all these subjects, we do provide videos according to our syllabus which is given in our UPSC. So we are going to give you one promise, that is, we are going to provide videos on each and every topic which is present in your subject, and we are also connecting with the current affairs. So in the step 1, actually we will ask you to select one subject. Why we are asking you to select one subject? Because we are providing student personalized plan. So if you are talking about different kind of students, so they will be studying only one subject. So after completing one subject, they will be shifting on to next subject. But the second kind of students, they will be preparing with the 2 subjects. And some other students, they will be reading 1 hour for one subject, another hour for another subject, like that. So based on the student interest, so we will be coming up with a personalized plan. Okay, so one plan may not be similar to that of second student plan. Okay, so actually in this step 1, so we will tell about importance of 4 subjects. So those 4 subjects are our polity, economy, history and geography. So these 4 subjects will form 60 to 65% of your UPSC examination. So first we will ask you to select 1 or 2 subjects from this 4 key subjects. So after that, we will give you the list of the sources that you have to follow from NCERT and as well as from standard books. So later on in the next step, you will be gathering those NCERTs and as well as those standard books. So after that, in step 2, you will be watching videos. So you have to visit our website rathodsiasacademy.com. There you can watch the videos regarding these subjects. And we will be giving you the personalized preparation plan for the next 1 year, how to complete all these subjects. And after once you completed the watching of videos of that so and so subject, then you will start reading NCERTs. So why you will start reading NCERTs in this 3rd step? So after watching these videos in the 2nd step, you will be getting conceptual clarity. You will be understanding the concepts. So now it will be very easy to dive into these NCERTs and as well as standard books. So once you had done with reading with NCERTs and standard books, then it is a time to take test. You have to take prelims test, and also we will be giving 10 questions based on that timetable, and we will ask you to write answers. right? So in this way you will be writing answers because you already completed watching videos, you already completed reading your NCERTs and standard books. Now you will be having some concept, right? So we will be giving you the basic questions regarding the concept of that so and so topic, so that you can write easily the answers. And we will be also giving you the prelims test. So after taking this test, you can understand what exactly you understand from that videos, how the questions will be asked in UPSC. So where you are missing, whether you are at the good standard or whether you are lacking in revision or whether you are lacking the conceptual clarity. So that thing you will be understanding in this step 4. So based on that analysis of test, then you will start your revision again. So revision is very important. So you will be starting revising your books again, and if there is any current affairs from that topic, you will be updating that. For example, you started geography. You're done with volcanoes and earthquakes, right? So if there is any earthquake is in news, for example, recent earthquake in Java Island, so you will be adding that topic here, so that whenever you are writing your mains answer, you can also give example of recent earthquake in this Java Island. So in that way, that will enrich your mains answer writing. Okay, so this is about this, how this foundational course goes, and these steps will be followed to each and every subject in our GS. Okay, and next there is one more doubt, like when exactly mains answer writing starts. So as I said, so these 4 are important topics or important part in your preparation. So it will contribute about 65% of your UPSC examination. So once these 4 subjects is done, then we will be starting 1 year answer writing practice. So we will be starting from our GS paper 1. In this GS paper 1, it includes history, it includes geography, Indian society. So history and geography is done here, right? So in the meanwhile, so on one side you will be writing this answer writing, on another side you will be watching the other subject videos. There you will be covering other subjects which you have not completed. So in this 1 year, you will be completing each and every subject of your GS. And next one is, when does prelims test series starts? So after completing these 4 major subjects along with environment and ecology and science and technology, yes, you will be starting your prelims test series. And every year before examination, you will be having 6 months exclusive prelims mentorship course. So in that, we will be providing some important topics and even test, and even we will be also conducting the live classes where we will be discussing how to approach this prelims and some tips and techniques to clear prelims and to get extra 25 marks in your prelims. Okay, so this is about this prelims test series. And next one is how to cover this current affairs. So next one is how to cover this current affairs. So in this current affairs part, after joining this course, for next 2 years, you will be getting daily Hindu news analysis. And there we will be also providing you notes. Apart from this daily current affairs, you will be also having weekly current affairs and also monthly current affairs. So in this way, you can cover this current affairs. So what are the sources we are covering here? So we are covering Hindu, we are covering Indian Express, Down to Earth, PIB, and also All India Radio. So these will be covered in weekly and as well as monthly current affairs. So in this way, we are going to cover current affairs of 2 years. Actually, there will be one question for every UPSC aspirant is, so how many years current affairs that we have to follow? So at least you have to cover 1.5 years current affairs. And next one is mains test series. So in this 2 years journey, so after giving your prelims, so if you clear your prelims and for mains you will be having 3 months of time. So in this 3 months of time, we will be having short-term mains test series. Okay, so there we will be giving you questions based on that year's current affairs, so that it will be very much relevant to write your mains. Okay, so this is about the important steps in this foundational course. And next one is about live classes. So when you are going to have this live classes? Actually, in this foundation course, we are going to give you recorded classes. And please don't underestimate our recorded classes. So they are of high quality and we already included current affairs. So if there is any current affairs that to be uploaded, so they will be updated, okay, on our live classes. And if you're talking about our live classes, you will be having live classes based on mains answer writing. So this mains answer writing, it is for 1 year. So on every Sunday, you will be having live class on this mains answer, and also you will be having live classes for your prelims mentorship course of 6 months exclusively before your prelims, and you will be also having live classes for your weekly current affairs. So this is about your live class session. And one more doubt that you will be having is how to clear my doubts. So if you have any doubts, you can make a call to us, and even you can text us in WhatsApp or also Telegram on this number. Okay, so always we will be providing support in these 2 years in each and every step in your journey. And for whom this course is useful? So this course is useful for degree students and even the students who are doing their intermediate and even graduates, and especially for working professionals. So this online course is very, very useful. And now I want to address where you can get access to our foundation course. So to this course, you can get video access in this website, that is rathodsiasacademy.com. And you can also download this Android app from the Play Store, that is Rathod's IAS Academy. So you can use either this website or also Android app. Okay, so for this videos and for live classes, we will be using Zoom. Okay, so we will be conducting live classes on Zoom. So this is about our foundational course. And now I want to address, so how much is the price for this foundational course? So for all these things that we are providing, for example, live classes, personal mentorship, and student-based plan, and as well as for test series, main translating practice. So for everything, so the cost here is 49,000 rupees, and the validity of this course is 2 years. So you can't get this type of course with this affordable price anywhere in India. So it is my challenge. And if you can't pay this amount in a single term, yes, you can also get installment also. So we are also providing this installment facility. So you can pay this fee in installment as well. So if you want to contact us regarding this course, so please call me on this number 8074765513. And one more thing is, if you want to watch the demo videos, so please visit our website rathodsiasacademy.com, and there you can visit demo videos regarding the different subjects. Okay, so this course is very, very useful, and this course is accessible and as well as affordable for everyone. Okay, so if you want to join, so please call me on this number. Thank you so much.